been a few years since I've done a video on the layout because it came to a grinding halt, and I'll show you why. And that's because I ran out of room in the garage to fit these two classic Jeeps in. I had to dismantle half for layout. The sections are all standing on their ends over there. The station section, that half is still in place with the industrial section behind it. Half a branch line is still up. Return loop in the background. I'll take you around the other side. You just have to squeeze down the side of the Comanche. This is the other half of the station section. The other half, a branch line section behind it. And here is the ocean end. And what I'm planning of doing is taking this ocean section, the very end section, it measures about 6 foot by 5'10". Take it up to the new shed, and for the moment, so I can work on it, butt it up to the old operator's well. That section leaning against the wall hasn't been used for probably 2 decades, but it'll fit nicely behind the ocean section. It'll allow me to do some work on it, complete it, and run some trains, of which they're all just boxes and boxes stacked with wagons and rolling stock and locomotives. Looks a bit like a treasure trove that a hoarder's collected. Might be some truth in that, but oh well. We'll get things moving soon. I'll do a video once I've got the ocean section set up in the new shed. Show it going back together. Thanks for watching.